Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to explain about how to download and install Visual Studio Code. See, Visual Studio Code is mainly used to implement UI technologies coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, frameworks also, AngularJS, React.js and all. In Visual Studio Code, we can develop the programs. After developing the programs, remember, if you want to run HTML file, we need to install the extension. Install extension is a live server. And whenever you want to run JavaScript file alone, to run, we need to install that Node.js. In this video, I'm going to explain clearly how to download and install the Visual Studio Code, right? How to install that live server extension, how to run the HTML file. Next one, the JavaScript, how to run the JavaScript file with a Node.js. All these things we'll see. First of all, let me install. Open the Google and install. Here it is. Now, just download Visual Studio Code download from the official website. It is showing directly the download link. It will take you to the download. Here I'm installing on my Windows operating system. Just click on this one. Automatically download will start. It will take some time. Once the download has been completed, then we can start installation process. Instantly, suppose if you want to install instantly, by clicking on this we can install. No, later I want to install means what? See here in the downloads folder, the file is available. But see here, now instantly I want to install. Click on this one. Then installation wizard will come. Automatically installation starts. Accept the agreement. Next. See in this path, it is installed. Next. Visual Studio Code. Create the desktop icon. Add path. Next. And install. It is preparing to install. See here, installation started. Installation started. Now here it is launch the Visual Studio Code. Yes, we can finish launching. Right. So this is how after installation, just a welcome note will come. Just close that welcome note. Sir, where we have to place all the files? See, normally whenever we are practicing, just we create one file, new, it's a folder, new folder. Here, I'm just giving that UI practice. UI practice and is a one. UI practice. In that UI practice, now just open that file, open folder. Here it is. On desktop, UI practice is there. Select the folder. See, it is open. Again, quickly it will open. Just click on this, trust the authors. I trust that authors, that is. Once again, that welcome note will come. So nothing but again, it will reopen with this one. So now we are in this folder. I just want to create one file here. New file option is there. Click on file. A simple HTML file I'm creating. Test.html file extension. then automatically that file will come here. File. Here you can write the HTML code. HTML simply in a body location. I'm just giving that H2. Welcome to FullStack Edutech. Welcome to FullStack Edutech. I'm just giving like this and saving. Once you save, shortcut is a Control S. Now I just want to run. Sir, normally how can you run means what? We have to go to that location. Here already it will show with the browser. We need to double click on this. Then open with any browser, then it will show. No, sir, I want to run from the Visual Studio Code only. Then we need to download and install the extension, live server extension. See here, extensions option showing. Click on extensions. But first it will show that installed. Here we need to search. Search option is a live server. Okay. So any live server, for example, here it is so many people downloaded that live server. Simply we need to install. It is installing the live server. This is the way just we need to search, right, and install the extensions which are required. Simply see here, live server installed. Once it is done, then it will show the output. I mean, it will show that option is a open with live server. Just click on this one, allow. See, look at this. Automatically it will open the browser. Every time no need to go with the location where it is present, the file is, and no need to do this thing. Directly just right click and run with live server. This is HTML file extension, remember. Next, the second one is how to run the JavaScript file. Of course, here with our knowledge, here we can run the JavaScript script with that script. Okay. And here, if you write the code, alert box, hello all, just alert box we are writing. This is HTML coding. The JavaScript coding you must place inside the script. Now, if you open with the live server, look at this. Alert box is coming. Hello all, it is saying. But sir, without using HTML extension, without the help of HTML file, sir, I just want to execute JavaScript file only. JavaScript file on console. For that, you need to download and install the Node.js. How can we? Let me explain. Again, go to that Google. Just Node.js download. Click on this Node.js download. By using this Node.js, we can simply run JavaScript files without using that HTML. Just wait, it's taking its time. Why? Yeah, Node.js, that is install Node.js on Windows directly. Includes npm and everything. It is showing that. What is the download option? Just wait. This one, download Node.js. Click on this. So this one, that node. Once you click on this one, then automatically installation will start. Just click on next, accept the license agreement. Automatically install the necessary tools and install. That's all. This is the simple way of installing the Node.js. Once Node.js installation completed, then how can we write the codes and how can we run? We'll see. Successfully completed. Now go back to Visual Studio Code. Now here the file, new file, it's not HTML file. It's not HTML file. Now I'm writing a new file. It's a JavaScript file, first.js. Look at this. This is .html. This is .js file. Here we can write JavaScript code only. Sir, how to write JavaScript code means what? If you want to print anything, not document.write, console.log. Print JS message on console. We use console.log. Sir, how can we run this JavaScript file? Simply go to the terminal. New terminal we need to open. When you open the new terminal, here automatically it will show the location where we are exactly on the desktop. UI practice folder is there. We are in UI practice folder only. Then how can we run Node? Because we have installed Node.js. Node will run the JavaScript. Node space first.js. Whenever we are executing like this, Node space first.js. Sir, it is showing that error message. Reason is we have installed directly after opening the Visual Studio Code. That's why it is not recognizing. Just one time again open that Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Then automatically it will open. Now do the same thing. Run it. Look at this. Now output came now. Print JS message on console. Okay, just open and close the Visual Studio Code. Then do the same option. Terminal, new terminal. Then it will come. Here simply we are using Node space first.js. This is the simple way. Once again, I'm explaining. Visual Studio Code is used to implement the programs of UI technologies as well as frameworks. But after writing the program, if you want to run HTML file, you need to install the live server. If it is a JavaScript file, you need to install the Node.js. Okay. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.